LED lights I got. Of course, you gotta have stickers. Free t-shirt. I guess we spend enough money to get a t-shirt. Little phone holder, or like a card holder for a phone. And then the good stuff here. Open up everything at the end once I get everything out of the original container. Bigger light box. Cords, as you can see, they're nice cords. They're wrapped. They got the grounds, the upfitter switch connections, which is nice. And then the Foglight brackets. So put the box down and get everything opened up. Making a mess, huh? Always loves helping me open boxes. And by open boxes, I mean destroy boxes. Juice. No camera boot. Okay, let's get back to it. Alright, so let's get all these things opened up. Obviously the t-shirt I can stay, and all the other little things here and there can stay unopened, but let's get the good stuff opened. So the Foglight brackets came with wires as well. Installation guide, of course. Mounting brackets wrapped up pretty nicely. And all the mounting hardware, which is what you would expect. So I'm not going to open up these just yet. Simply because there's mounting hardware everywhere. Don't want to lose things, but kind of want to take a look at who they are. They are also labeled for you. Don't know if you can see that. Driver's side. The other side, obviously, not the driver's side. So that's nice. And then the upfitter connections is nice. Are they labeled? There. Actually, these are probably lights. They are. So these are nice. So I got the S2 Pros for the front. The Ambers, I'll bring the camera over here. I got Squadron Pros, and so I'll go ahead and bring the camera over here, but I'll explain them a little bit. So I got all the Pro models. I got the S2s in amber for the fog lights. They're wide. I got Squadron Pro spots, and then I got a driving combo as well. So as you can see here, the fog lights, I got the inside. These are the driving combo. So I'm going to use these more as a fog lights. Obviously, Squadron Pro. These are going to be the middle ones. If you think of the three lights, so like first one, second one, third one, which is the farthest one. Like the one on the outside of the vehicle. This one's a spotlight, Squadron Pro spotlight. Massive amount of light that one's going to put off as well. And then these amber ones are the wide. They're S2 Pros as well. The Pro series are going to be wide for like snow, things like that. These are going to put off a ton of light. And not done yet. Got these here. Pop them open. It's hard to do this with one hand. And then these are the ones for the rear. S2 Pros put out a ton of light. I know the Squadron Pros put out 4,900 lumens. I don't remember what the S2 Pros do, but these are going to be incredibly bright. And then these cables will fit up to the upfitter switches, so then I can run these off my upfitter switches. On the mounting brackets, can see I put them all the way forward. I'm going to zip tie all these together so they're not all over the place. They look really good. One thing I do have to say, if you do get this kit, make sure you test mount your lights with the brackets to the mounting hardware, because they send 2 sets of bolts. I originally had these on the brackets, and they wouldn't fit through here. So I got one of these. They don't fit, and no, you can't screw them through. I tried. They sent a second set, a smaller set that fits. So make sure the bolts fit your particular Foglight bracket, or else you're going to have a tough time getting them together. After I figured that out, I had to take it all apart because I had this mounting hardware on there, and you can't get the bolt out without taking everything off. So I had to basically redo it all, but once I redid it, I knew what I was doing already because I took it off and put it on a couple times. But this is how they look. They hang. I went ahead and put them at the closest setting forward. I left them a little loose, so then I left them a little loose so I can still turn them side to side, and then obviously up and down depending on how I want them to aim. So these are set. Now I can start finally put them on the truck. I think it's, in my opinion, I think it's going to be easier having it all together like this. So then I just stick it up there. So I'm on the truck, and I just put it all together, and I can see I just have to tighten things down versus trying to run bolts, because I'll have to put one there, and then one will go there. So we will see how it goes. Alright, so I want to take a time and talk about these. So take your time when you get to this point. They're up. Now there's a ton of variables here. So like, obviously they still turn left and right. You can point them because you left them loose. They still point up and down that you have to tighten down. And then this whole bracket moves around so you can get the fitment just perfect. This is what you're looking like. Hey bud. Aw. Make sure the support rod goes back on that 13mm bolt. I think I have a sleepy dog, guys. Hey bud. Just a little bit. This is why I don't get anything done. I've been finishing some things up on the truck. Dad left about 30 minutes ago. He helped me get them in, on everything up, run the wires, everything like that. Just putting some zip ties in. There is a little extra cord or wire, so I'm trying to make sure that's hidden as much as possible. As you can see, I almost have it done. Just have to fix these wires here a little bit, clean them up. It's in, they're all working. The ground wire. If you look, here's where the wire runs. It runs down that way. I have the extra cord tucked down there. You'll never see it. If I can just clean this up a little bit more, tuck it away so that it looks nicer, it'll be all taken care of, but I have it hidden down there. But let's go ahead and turn these bad boys on, and so you can see how they actually look. So here are my brights. More straight in front. I have my ambers. Driving combo. Illuminates everything, and you can kind of see the spot element as well. And then just the spots. Ton of light that it puts off. And then here is all three together. Project Raptor, stage 1, almost done. Off-road lights, check.